The talukdars of Awadh, which is presently Lucknow, became very wealthy. Beltola is a moja in the Guwahati city. If you have paid khazana, that is the land revenue tax, you must have seen the signature of Mojadar Parikshit Narayan Dev in the receipts. Few surnames in Assam are not even Assamese origin or even Indian origin. These are few Assamese and Bengali surnames, words which are of Arabic or Islamic origin, and you will be surprised to know. Talukdar, Majumdar, Poddar, Sikdar, Mirasdar, Tarafdar. Let's learn etymology of these words. It's often wonderful how some words travel from faraway lands, Arabia and Persia, and we Assamese have adopted them as our own. The word taluk in Talukdar has been derived from the Arabic word taluk, which means related to or attached to.
कि मुनाफिकों का इतना ही ताल्लुक है दीन के साथ।
ताल्लुक यानी रब, रिश्ता, आशनाई।
किस तरह का बहुत शुक्रिया ताल्लुक है आपका मेरे साथ।
So, a talukdar is a person who is attached to a taluk, that is, an area under his control under a zamindari system.
मैं भी ठाकुरों के खानदान की हूँ। इससे बड़ी बड़ी तिजोरियां देखी हैं हमने अपनी हवेली में।
On the other hand, a majumdar is derived from the word majmua, which means collection.
आज का लफ्ज़ है मजमुआ। मजमुआ लफ्ज़ अरबी मूल के लफ्ज़ जमा से बना है।
For example, Ittare Majmua means a blend of perfumes. So, Majumdar is a person who collects texts. Then there are Mirasdars. The Dimasa kings of Kachar had appointed Mirasdars to collect land revenues, and later this Mirasdars became very powerful under the British rule. For example, the Mirasdars of Ambikapur of Silchar town were very significant zamindars. Land under the Janiganj Bazar of Silchar town was under the control of these Mirasdars.
मीरास का मतलब होता है जागीर, पुश्तैनी धरोहर, बपौती, उत्तराधिकार।
In all these words, there is a common suffix, dar. Dar is a Persian word and it means to have or to hold. It's remarkable how often we use dar as a suffix in Hindi and Urdu, as in Havaldar, Pehredar, Tehsildar, and Dildar. Another Marwari and Nepali surname similar to Talukdar and Majumdar is Poddar. Poddar simply means treasurer or money handler. Another example of word taluk is in Islam, there is a famous concept called taluk billah.
ताल्लुक बिल्ला सबसे अजीम नेमत है,
which means attached to Allah. In Assam, most surnames are caste neutral. Talukdars are people who were entrusted with the responsibility of collecting taxes in a taluk by the Bengal Sultanate or Mughal rulers. Mughal had for few years occupied Lower Assam, with their eastward extension being till Guwahati. Hence, almost all Assamese talukdars are from Lower Assam. Many Assamese people with talukdar surnames are Kolitas, a general category non-Brahmin caste. But there are talukdars of other castes and communities too. For example, there are some talukdars who are Keots and some talukdars are Koch Rajbangshis. This is not to be confused with Bengali talukdars.
हम जमींदार हैं, मच्छी खाते हैं लेकिन कांटे को हलक में फंसने नहीं देते कभी।
Although the origin of the word is same, the Bengali talukdars are different as far as their job role and duties are concerned. The talukdar was required to collect taxes, maintain law and order, and provide military supplies and manpower to the government. In most cases, the talukdars were entitled to keep 1/10 of the collected revenue. However, some privileged talukdars were entitled to 1/4 and hence were called chaudhuri or sodhuri, which also literally means owner of the fourth part. In Bengal, a talukdar was next only to a zamindar in extent of land control and social status. But in Punjab and the North India, talukdars were much more powerful. The talukdars of Awadh, which is presently Lucknow, became very wealthy. The British tried to reduce their economic power by taking away several revenue villages from them. Therefore, in the revolt of 1857, talukdars fought against the British. After 1857, the British realized that it would be impossible for them to rule in Awadh without Talukdar's support. So, since 1859, the British started favoring the Talukdar in all kinds of ways. After the Talukdars lived as landlords who were responsible for collecting rents from the tenants and paid revenue to the British administration. Remember, Awadh and the Nawabs were very rich. The treasury of Awadh maintained by the Nawabs and Talukdars was very wealthy. So, whenever the British East India Company faced financial difficulties, they would turn to the Nawab of Awadh for loans. During the Anglo-Nepalese War, they borrowed £2.5 million from him. In fact, the government is still paying interest on these loans, a system which is called Wasika.
वसीका दफ्तर में रखे वसीका मैनुअल के मुताबिक नासिरुद्दीन हैदर के उत्तराधिकारी किंग मोहम्मद अली शाह ने भी ब्रिटिश ट्रेजरी में 12 लाख रुपए दिए थे.
The highest amount is 569 rupees and lowest is 1 rupee and 1 paisa. Moja is a revenue village. Edward Gate writes in History of Assam, the whole area of a district is divided into blocks called mojas or mahals, and the tax from the people residing in those moja were collected by various officers like Majumdar, Mojadar, Bishaya, Chaudhuri, Sodhuri, Kakoti and Padgiri. For example, Beltola is a moja in the Guwahati city. If you have paid khazana, that is the land revenue tax, you must have seen the signature of Mojadar Parikshit Narayan Dev in the receipts. He belongs to the royal family which had ruled Beltola area since Ahom kingdom. The British reduced the status of Beltola from kingdom to moja and that of the ruler from king to Mojadar. The rulers were allowed to retain the title of Raja in their names, and the official post of the Mojadar of Beltola was made hereditary and was reserved for the royal family of Beltola. After the independence of India in 1947, the government of India abolished zamindari or system of landlords, due to which the royal family of Beltola lost much of their land rights. The official post of Mojadar remained with the royal family, and till now the post of Mojadar is held hereditarily by them, though they do not have any power of administration except collecting land taxes for government of Assam.